Welcome back, guys. So, in this part of the video, we will learn these two formulas: integration of x square plus a square dx और integration of x square minus a square dx. Okay? तो ये जो x square plus a square है कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं? पहले पहले कांस्टेंट आ सकता है और फिर x square कोएफिशिएंट आ सकता है और एल्स वाइस वर्सा x square पहले आ सकता है फिर a square सेकंड टर्म हो सकता है and then the what is the formula of this? The formula of this is simply x upon 2 root of copy paste this integration root of a square plus x square plus a square upon 2 log x plus once again this integration में copy paste हो गया root of a square plus x square plus c. तो ये जो फॉर्मूलाज है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस, इनको भी याद करने का ट्रिक है मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में समझा देता हूँ. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर डी एक्स रहेगा. सो द फॉर्मूला इज एक्स बाई टू रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर जो भी है यहाँ पर इसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दीजिए. तो उसके पहले से कोएफिशिएंट लगा देना है एक्स बाई टू माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाई टू एंड अगेन x प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस. नाउ यहाँ पर एक नोटिस करने वाली चीज क्या है पता है? देखो, अगर यहाँ पर प्लस होता है तो सभी के सभी साइन प्लस है, अगर यहाँ पर माइनस होता है तो सभी के सभी साइन माइनस है एक्सेप्ट दिस एक्स प्लस. गॉट इट? तो दिस इज हाउ आई रिमेम्बर माय फॉर्मूलाज एंड आपको ये याद रखना है दोनों के कोएफिशिएंट वही होते हैं एक्स बाई टू रूट ऑफ ये जो है वो याद रखना है. अगर यहाँ पर प्लस रहेगा तो प्लस ए स्क्वायर बाई टू, यहाँ पर माइनस रहेगा तो माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाई टू लॉग एंड मॉड ऑफ एक्स प्लस यहाँ पर जो भी इंटीग्रेशन है वो कॉपी पेस्ट कर दीजिए प्लस. दैट्स इट. इतनी ही दो ये फॉर्मूलाज है. इफ यू नो दिस टू फॉर्मूलाज your life is done for this particular type of question. And agar if you don't know this formula, you won't get any mark for this particular type of science. I hope you understood that. Now I will never recommend you to buy hard any formulas. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, correct. Minimum 20-25 sums solve करने पड़ेंगे based on this, and then you will get the export rates. I hope you remember those four formulas. Do you remember those four formulas where it was written 1 upon x square plus a square or 1 upon x square minus a square and 1 upon root of x square plus a square and 1 upon root of x square minus a square. Now, they were the different four and these are the different two. Please note that, isn't it? यहाँ पर denominator में नहीं है, they are in the numerator itself. यहाँ पर वो denominator में है. We have already done this, I guess in video number 3 or 4. You just check that out. I don't remember now, but I hope you remember. So integration means what? Basically, integration means the formula and the substitution and the logic. Okay. अगर ये तीन चार चीजें सब्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे करते हैं अगर आपको वो समझ में आए तो यू आर द किंग ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रेशन चैप्टर. चलो बस हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा बोल लिया है ऐसे लग रहा है. नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन द सम्स. नाउ हाउ टू फिगर आउट दिस सम्स. सो let me just teach you how to do this. So look at this. यहाँ पर क्या है ये वाला सम है integration of root of 4x square plus 5. So what I'll do, I'll just take it out 4 common outside. If we'll take it out 4 common outside, it will become, because ये root के बाहर 4 आ रहा है, it will become 2. And since it is a constant, I have written it outside this integration side. So ये बन जाएगा x square plus can I write this 5 upon 4? Since I've taken out 4 common, I have written this upon 4. I hope you understood this, isn't it? ये लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Yes. कई लोग पूछे क्या ये लिखना पड़ेगा? Yes, ये लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Integration of. Now look at this. And this is in the format of x the whole square plus root 5 upon 2 the whole square dx. Now देखो बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या होता है ना, ये जो टर्म है इसको बोलेंगे x, इसका बेस है x और इसका बेस है a. a क्या बन जाएगा? रूट 5 अपॉन, नॉट रूट 5 अपॉन 2 द होल स्क्वायर. Now many people think this is x and this is a. That is wrong. देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, a क्या है and x क्या है आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. Base is a and the base is x, not the square terms. Are you getting it? Because यहाँ पर x लगता है और यहाँ पर a square लगता है. I hope you understand what I mean. Isn't it? Now we'll have to use this formula. Now how to use this formula? Okay, I'll just copy this formula. So we'll use this formula particularly in this type of sum. Okay, so copy, and I am doing this copy, but you will have to write in your sum. Okay, so I'm just doing this testing part. Okay, so this if I use over here, what will happen? What will happen? Let's check that out. So 2 integration of, look at this now. This is a square plus x square, or you can say x square plus a square. It does not make a difference because 2 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 2. They both adds up to 5 only, isn't it? So it doesn't make any difference. So a square plus x square by clipping x by 2. Okay, and now I don't need to write this integration. I'm so sorry. I just delete this. So बाकी क्या बचेगा? और यहाँ से चालू कर देते हैं. 2 outside this bracket. Now integration लगा है. So integration कैसे लगाएंगे? X by 2. तो यहाँ पर लगाएंगे x upon 2. Root of, directly we can copy paste this sum itself. What was the sum? The sum was this. 4x square plus 5. You can write down that, or else अगर आपको वो लिखने से डर लग रहा है, you can write down these ones. X square plus 5 by 4. अगर वो भी नहीं लिखना है तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, x square plus root 5 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, x square plus root 5 upon 2 plus the whole square. You understood, guys? So this is what the bracket, this particular square root happens. Now a square. So I can directly copy the, this is a root 5 upon 2. Uska square ye hai. Uska square is 5 by 4, isn't it? So you can put 5 by 4 upon 2. So 5 by 8. You understood? 4 to the 8. Log of mod of x plus, you can take this term once again as it is. So I'm just copying this term so that I don't have to write. Copy and paste. So I got it down. You understood? And plus mod plus c. And that's all, guys. Isn't it so simple? That's all. अगर आपको लगता है sir we can simplify this, no problem, we can simplify this. Now how to simplify this? There will be one more step, guys. So you can do these 2 inside, so it will become x. I'll copy paste it again, paste over here this term, isn't it? ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो चुका है, तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये बाकी बचेगा x root of this plus, okay, 1 second, plus, now again this bracket is a new bracket, or there is another term, so I'm multiplying this 2 with this, so it will become 5 upon 8 divided by 2. ये बनेगा 4 log of, कई लोग बोले से समझ में नहीं आया, so देखो इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5 to the 10 divided by 8 बनेगा 5 by 4. You understood? Simple. Log mod of x plus, we can copy paste again, paste. So I just drag it down over here, plus 6. I hope you understood. This is just copy pasting some, guys. That's all. Now अगर किसी को लगता है कि लाइक यहाँ पर मुझे वो ओरिजिनल टर्म लिखना है तो वो भी देख सकते हैं, and that will be a final answer. So that's all. I hope you learned this and you enjoyed learning this particular type of question. So please zoom it up. So this you can quickly copy paste in your pause the video and copy paste. So let's learn this as sum number 2, integration of root of 9x square minus 4. Now how are we going to do this? So it will become, see look, this 9 will have to take it out common. So जब 9 root के बाहर आता है, when the 9 comes outside the roots, and it will become 3. Now the 3 will come outside the root, integration symbol, so it will become 3 integration of, ये बनेगा root of x square minus this 4 upon 9, because this 9 has been taken out, so upon 9 करना पड़ेगा. But ये किसका perfect square है? 2 upon 3 का perfect square है, isn't it? dx. Now ये कौन से फॉर्मेट में है? ये है, it is in the format of, okay, it is in the format of integration of x square minus a square format. ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है, x square पहला होना चाहिए और a square दूसरा होना चाहिए. Okay, the x square should be the first term and a square, that constant, should be the second term. Then that's how this formula is going to. So इसको क्या बनाएंगे x square minus a क्या है, 2/3 है, and the whole square dx. So यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, 3 outside this bracket x by 2, देखिए यहाँ पर x by 2 लिख दिया, root of x square minus a square, that is x square minus 4/9, isn't it, minus a square by 2, a क्या है 4/9, Okay, I'm so sorry. A स्क्वायर मतलब a था 2/3 उसका स्क्वायर कर देते 4/9 अपॉन 2 करेंगे. So this 9 will come down and the 2 and 4 will get cancelled. So this is how it has become 2 upon 3 in the next step. It is the log of x plus ये bracket को copy पर paste कर देंगे x square minus 4 upon 9 plus c. I hope you got that. And now if you take these 3 inside, what happens is x by 2. This bracket will become original square root, that is root of 9x square minus 4 minus यहाँ पर देखो ये 3 इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 2 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 3 3 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो इट विल रिमेन 2 अपॉन 3 log of ये 3 x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 3x प्लस when this 3 will get multiplied this with the square root it will become root of 9x square minus 4 plus c, and that's it. That's your final answer. Guys, I hope you understood this sum, isn't it? If you have understood this, show thumbs up and copy paste it immediately in your book. Hurry up, guys. Okay, now let's see this sum number 3. How exactly it can be done? How exactly it can be done? Look at this. ये बन जाएगा integration of root of. Now look at this. There is three terms. I mean, this is a quadratic trinomial, isn't it? So what is to be done? X square minus 4x. Here we need to add and subtract something, isn't it? Here we need to add and subtract something. One second, hold on. Okay, what will be added and what will be subtracted and minus 5 and then dx. This is how this sum is going to get end. Okay, okay. I mean end in the sense this is how the sum is going to start. Now, what is to be added? Simple. Look at this. What we have to do, we have already seen in the previous video. The coefficient of x, that is 4. So 4 divided by 2, it will become 2. And then do the square of these things. Okay, so it will become 2 per square have 4. So we'll add a 2 square and we'll subtract 2 square. You understood? We added a 2 square and we subtracted 2 square. It will not going to make any difference. I hope you understood this step, isn't it? If you have not understood it, that means you have not practiced exercise 5.3 and 5.2 very well. So go practice 5.2 and then come back to this exercise. That's the reason I had mentioned to you all in the previous classes. Guys, please do your work on time, otherwise you'll miss up the concept और आगे का कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. Now, integration of root of, look at this. This will turn out as x minus 2, because there is minus sign over here, x minus 2 the whole bracket square, and this will become minus 9, which is minus 3 the whole square dx, isn't it? And then now we can copy paste this formula. Which formula we are going to copy paste? This one. Look at this second formula, isn't it? X square minus a square formula. We want this, so we'll copy it and we'll paste it down over here. Now how to solve this further sum? Look at this. If you have learned this, how to use this formula, then that's fantastic. If you have not learned it, then you can learn along with me. We've done this question number 2 recently, isn't it? Just right. So it just does the same sum. But only problem is over here. Now there is, you might be seeing that x minus 2. This will be considered as x and this will be considered as a. Okay, so how to solve this? So what is this integration will simplified as x upon 2. Now x over here is x minus 2 upon 2 root of this bracket, isn't it? Now this can be simply written as, okay, basically this whole thing is nothing but this only, isn't it? X square minus 4x minus 5. I hope you understood that, isn't it? This x square minus a square, it's nothing but the integration what we were doing. So isn't it the integration is this root of x square plus 4x minus 5? So don't get confused, guys. तो आप लोग सोचेंगे सर व्हाट अबाउट दिस, ये क्यों नहीं लिखा सर, फिर व्हाट अबाउट दिस, ये क्यों नहीं लिखा, फिर ये क्यों नाटक कर रहे x and a. Guys, simply to get this coefficient of x over here and a square, nothing else, but the rest everything is this minus, isn't it very simple? A square. अभी यहाँ पर a square क्या बनेगा बच्चों? ये a square बनेगा 9 minus 9 upon 2 log of mod of x plus इसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर देंगे this bracket we can copy and paste second paste right there. You understood? Plus c, that's all. Plus c, and this is it. Now is there anything further can be simplified? I don't find it. Now you can copy paste in your notebook immediately. This is the final answer. That's all. So इतना ही सिंपल होता है ये पर्टिकुलर टाइप के सम्स देखा सी इतना सिंपल बट लोगों को ये फॉर्मूला नहीं आता है या फिर कंप्लीशन ऑफ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं आता है एंड देन दे डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला एंड देन दे गेट कंफ्यूज सर ये किधर से आया वो किधर से आया हमको समझ में नहीं आता है कुछ नहीं है थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे चार पांच सब अपने आप से खुद से सॉल्व कर देंगे आपको ये सब कुछ बहुत इजीली आ जाएगा I hope students you understood, you enjoyed learning these all videos. So if you have understood this perfectly, you can do now exercise 5.4 by your own. Isn't it? 5.4 आपको खुद से आ जाएगा. So pause the video, copy paste it, and then let's move ahead. Okay, hello everyone. So students, practice exercise 5.5 very well and see you in the next video with something called as partial fractions. So tab tak ke liye bye bye. So I'll see you shortly with the another video in which we will discuss how to solve the partial fraction sums. And tab tak, please do exercise 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5. We've done a huge chapter. Only one exercise is left over guys. But still, it's a very important concept and it will take another 2 to 3 videos to cover the entire partial fractions. So, see you soon with the, hopefully you'll understood everything by now perfectly and you'll understand henceforth also. Okay? Chalo.